Welcome to the city of Kupang, the capital of the East Nusa Tenggara province in Indonesia. To most travelers, Kupang is a gateway city, a jumping off point to other destinations, leaving Kupang almost untouched by tourism. With its Malay-influenced dishes, empty beaches, stunning sunsets, and the friendliest locals you will ever meet, why wouldn't you spend more time here? Well, that's just what I did. Join me as I share with you what I found to be the best that Kupang has to offer.
Another beautiful sunrise here on the island of Timor in the city of Kupang. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of some of the city, and then we're going to go out to the countryside and see what the rest of the island looks like. But we're going to start at this fish market over here. And it really wasn't my intention to do a fish market tour, but on my morning run yesterday, I passed by it and it deserves your attention. It is chaotic, it is loud, and all the boats fish this outer reef right here all night, and they bring it right into the port, and it's literal off the boat fish. Now my hotel is the Solstice, and it's a great location. It's right on the beach. I have a very comfortable room, has a sitting area, a bed, a desk, a great restaurant, gym, and an absolutely stunning view of the reef. I'm paying $50 a night. I'm over budget again, but things are going very well. And with that said, things are going very well with the channel. And I'd really like to give something back into these communities. So I'm working with an idea of how to set this up where I take a large portion of what I've earned here on this trip and put it back into a community. I'm really interested in something helping children, schools, and if anyone can help me, if anyone has any connections, any ideas, or wants to help with some due diligence, get in touch with me on Instagram. It's not change your life money, but it's definitely an amount that can make a difference in a child or many children's lives. Now, inside here is a traditional market, and it's pretty crazy as far as traditional markets go. And there's a pool hall, dirt floor pool hall, really cool. And maybe on the end of the fish market tour, we'll spin through there. It's again, it's an intense area. Kupang gets tourists, but usually just one night stopovers on their way out to Algor, I believe, to do some diving or to Roti, like I am. But there you can see a little bit of the pool hall. Empty right now, but we'll see. Now, judging by everyone's reaction yesterday, I don't think they get a lot of tourists wandering through here. So, let's go. Now, I have been to other fish markets here in Indonesia, and this is by far the highest variety of catch I've seen. I saw wahoo, all different types of grouper, tuna, some very large fish, dolphin. So let's dive in.
Ma, como 20 nih, Ma. Mama, como 20, kompa nih. Mr. Rame ini. Are!
And Kupang has been an important port for centuries. Controlled by the Dutch, controlled by the Portuguese. Good morning. Occupied by Japan during World War II. Has traded hands many, many times. Good morning. Wow, yeah. And here they're cleaning the fish. This is also the port where Captain Bligh of the HMS Bounty, after the mutiny, was cast cast away in a boat with 18 of his loyalists, where they survived for 47 days on little provisions, and they landed here, the closest European colony they could find. Absolute monster fish right here. Pagi. Here they're scaling them. Yeah, very big fish. Cleaning the fish, and some really exotic looking reef fish here. Let's head around.
Apa lagi Master ini?
Good morning.
Ini ikan daging ini.
Yeah, it's big.
Ikan lolo ini dia nama.
Yeah. I've seen those on documentaries. I don't know what it is though. More very large fish. Good morning, good morning. Very nice. Lots of fish guts right there. Good morning. Let's head on out and go check out the traditional market a bit. Then we'll go grab the scooter and we'll see what awaits us outside the city. So here, they are processing the pork. And there's a lot of carcasses. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where you get your pork from. Excellent. Pagi, makasih. And they're getting them all prepped and ready for shipment. A lot of pig hair. A lot of hair on the ground. A lot of blood. And me in flip-flops. And this market was not designed for me, that's for sure. Lots of activity. Pagi. Cool. And what's cool is these markets are everywhere around the world. And they're pretty much the same, except they do have their subtle, charming differences. And what I love about exploring them is that it's such a glimpse into unscripted daily life of these communities. And they're still doing things the way they have for centuries and generations. And it's just such a privilege to be able to travel and experience this. And this market just goes on in all directions. But I just came through, down this way, and then you spin around. Pagi. You have this way. Good morning. Hello. Hello. And smiling faces. Okay, after a wrong turn, I believe I'm back on track. And it doesn't look like market here. This looks like where the vendors, the people actually live. It's a little neighborhood. And they have chickens and other livestock here. Cut on through, and yeah, I think we missed the pool hall. Anyway, let's head on back. Let's grab that scooter. Grab that scooter and head on out. I found the pool hall. It's right in here. Let's see if there's any activity. We'll head on in. And no, nobody's playing pool yet. I must have been here at a later time. But as you can see, there's a lot of pool tables here, a little market area, some homes and livestock. Let's head on back. And we are off. And no, I am not wearing a helmet. It's a good way to get a lot of comments, a lot of people calling me an idiot and other insults. but it's also a sure way to boost the algorithm and get a lot of views, which now you know goes to a good cause. And another way for you aspiring YouTubers out there to really kick that algorithm in with some comments, mispronounce something, a location, a thing. You'll get a lot of nice people happy to help. You'll get a lot of other people calling you an idiot, saying you don't deserve to travel, you shouldn't be there, yah, 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 yah. Anyway, let's head on out of this city and go explore the island of Timor. Well, we've reached the turnoff for our first stop. And the traffic, population, everything really thinned out quickly once leaving Kupang. Hello. And every time I stopped, someone would run over or even jump out of their cars like, hey, what's wrong? You need help? Anyway, we're almost there. Let's push on down this dirt road. I have arrived at the Crystal Cave.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have my guide,
Yeah.
Peter. Peter.
Yeah.
Peter.
Yeah.
Buffer.
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna lead me down to the cave. And it looks like we arrived. It says, welcome to Goa Cristal. On one of the stones. Down in here?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Should I put a light? I'm gonna get a light.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I knew there's a reason I've been lugging this thing around for 3 months. I'm ready, Better.
Yeah.
We're spelunking. Whoa, 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 buddy. Ah. All right, I can start to see what we're looking at. And it looks like the cave keeps going down, down, but that's actually water, and that must be the clearest water I've ever seen. Wow. And over here? Yikes, very slippery. Look at that. Wow. This is beautiful. All to ourselves. You go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going swimming.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Oh, stand right here. Nice water too. It's warm water. It has like a, I don't want to say salty, but definitely a mineral type taste to it. Yeah. The Crystal Cave.
Well, that was very, very cool. And yeah, not far out of town. Well worth the effort. And it's cool that you can pull up and it's unorganized and help out a local kid. Marco, Miash, Justin, Ghana, Johannes, Peter, Lieber. Nice to meet you.
Ronnie.
Hey.
Mantap.
And good evening. Went back to the place, had a nap, of course, a swim, and took care of some things. And I have one last thing to show you. This is the must-do here in Kupang. And I headed out to go, and I noticed here on the beach, we have a soccer match. And there's a huge crowd of people. Oh, bye. Okay. Crazy crowd. So like I was saying, if you're here for one day, one night, this is what you do not want to miss. And we're gonna go grab the scooter, grab a helmet, and be on our way. And we have arrived at the night market fish market. And it's right downtown, easy to find. And like I said, it's a must-do when visiting Kupang. And look at the selection
What's your name?
Buffer.
Oh, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Bertemu dengan Anda.
Ooh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, kenapa? Fresh.
Next time I'll eat your fish.
Okay.
And you have ayam, chumi, shells. Yeah, very nice.
Fresh.
Fresh. All right. Makasih. From raw mussel. Absolutely delicious. But I already know where I'm getting my fish. From the best one, the best fish lady right here. Yes. Barbecue. And now for my favorite part. Each side is sliced differently due to the way he cooks it. Makes it very, very easy to eat. Yeah. Do you have a large? Tall. Yes. And they have beer at this stall here. I don't know about the others. The first of many bastings. Look at that sizzle. Now we have a lot of grills going. The aromatic scents wafting through the air. And now the side dish is being prepped.
Silakan makan lalapan.
The assortment of sides. Some spicy, spicy hot sambal.
Sambal, chili.
Yeah, chili.
Yeah, chili.
It's delicious.
Okay.
Pedas.
No. Sedikit.
It's pedas.
Pedas.
Bagus. Bagus pedas. And there you have it. Kupang. It's a lovely place. You might be tempted to just pass it over, just rush to the ferry. But if you have time, I recommend checking it out. Has a lot to offer. Obviously, fantastic people, fantastic food, and I hope you enjoyed the video. There's more adventure to come. Please subscribe. Ciao.